Are you ready to begin investing but unsure of where to start? You are in the right place then. We will show you the best 7 basic, entirely beginner-friendly investing apps for beginners in this video. Stay around as we are going to address the important questions. Which app should you choose? How are you going to get going today? And from that, how do you really profit? Let's jump in. Number 1. Robinhood. The first app in this video is Robinhood. This is among the most well-known apps available if you're brand fresh with investing. Why is that? Since it charges no fees for trades and is quite easy to use. Imagine being able to purchase and sell ETFs, stocks, even cryptocurrencies free from hidden expenses. For those just starting, it seems like the ideal point of access. Without unnecessary language to cope with, you may immediately open an account and start buying shares right away. Additionally, Robinhood provides fractional shares, so you won't have to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars on pricey stocks like Amazon or Tesla. One might own a portion of these businesses with as little as $1. Regarding the drawbacks though, what about Robinhood's customer service isn't the finest? Some users have noted. If you run across a difficulty, receiving assistance could take some time. For beginners, however, who simply want to get going without thinking about costs or unclear features, this is a great option. But supposing you yearn for more than the minimum. Imagine if you wish for an app that uses features to enable you to make wiser decisions, so extending your investing. Let's check out what comes next. Number 2. Acorns. The next trusted app is Acorns. For those who wish to invest without really considering it, this app changes everything. Acorns just rounds your daily purchases to the closest $1 and invests the difference. So Acorns rounds $2.75 on a coffee to $3, and the extra 25 cents finds its place in your investment account. Those little adjustments over time can truly add up. Depending on your objectives, long-term retirement savings, or simply increasing your wealth over time, the app presents many portfolios. For novices, it's ideal as it removes the guessing involved in an investment. The best thing is that one could start with as little as $5. You thus never get shut out of the game, even if your starting point is not very much. The drawback is that Acorns charges a monthly fee, which may seem little but could eat into your returns if you're a very little investor. Still, it's really worth thinking about for those just starting out who wish to invest without much effort. Acorns is now perfect for simple automated investment. But let me introduce an app that elevates things by providing access to professional level advice and a hands-on approach. Let us now turn to the next one. Number 3. Stash. Stash is up next. It's a great tool for anyone who wants to start small but yet feel like they're making significant moves. Stash lets you start investing with just $5. Indeed, you're in the game. Simply $5 will do. For novices who wish to build their investing portfolio but lack a lot of money to start with, this makes it ideal. Stash distinguishes itself mostly with its instructional resources. Starting investors may find diving into investing daunting, but Stash guides you as you learn. Everything from stocks and ETFs to bonds and retirement accounts will have straightforward, unambiguous explanations here. It's like carrying about a mini investment coach in your pocket. Still, Stash stands out mostly for its stock-back capability. This implies that shopping at particular stores will result in stock rewards. Buying goods from companies like Walmart or Apple so results in a small amount of stock returning into your portfolio. It's a great approach to increase your savings without even considering it. Now, Stash is ideal for starting and gradually expanding your portfolio. But let's discuss an app all about providing you control. Control over where your money goes, how it grows, and how much risk you're ready to accept. Stay tuned, the upcoming app offers a great degree of customization choices. Number 4. Betterment. Betterment is an app you should investigate if you want to invest but lack the time or inclination to oversee it personally. Being a robo-advisor implies that depending on your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon, algorithms create and oversee a portfolio for you. You essentially let the program know your objectives, it does the rest. Betterment provides a customized investment plan without requiring one to be a financial guru, which is wonderful. With tax loss harvesting, the software not only helps to minimize your taxes, but also automatically rebalancing your portfolio and reinvests your income. So all the behind-the-scenes activity that can cause you anxiety, for you, Betterment serves. The drawback is, Betterment has a cost even if it is straightforward and hands-off. Beginning at 0.25% annually, the management fee over time can mount up. Betterment is a great option, though, if you're comfortable paying for the ease of having your assets handled for you. With hands-off investors, Betterment is ideal, but what if you wish greater hands-on control but still need some extra help? We have an app forthcoming that provides just a mix of ease and control. Number 5. Webull. Let's discuss Webull, a somewhat sophisticated but nonetheless beginner-friendly app. Although Webull is often considered as a rival of Robinhood, it distinguishes itself since it provides more instruments for those who like to delve further into trading. For novices looking to learn the ropes but also have access to more thorough charts, research, and analysis tools as they develop in their investing path. Webull is outstanding because of its strong set of trading tools. Things you might discover on more professional platforms are access to extended hours trading, real-time market data, and sophisticated charting tools. Also, it's still commission-free, like Robinhood, so your transactions aren't costing money. Webull also provides fractional shares, which simplifies investing in pricey equities with lesser sums of money. Here's a little heads up though. Absolute beginners may find Webull's interface somewhat taxing. There's a lot going on, hence it could take some time to become used to all the charts and statistics. Webull is a great option for beginners wishing to enter trading with additional instruments at hand. For beginners looking to improve their trading abilities, Webull is great. Nevertheless, if you want to concentrate on long-term investments such as retirement or saving for a major future objective, it is not as suitable. Well, the next app we will discuss could be just what you need. Number 6. M1 Finance. M1 Finance could be your ideal if you wish more control over your finances but do not want to spend hours managing them. It allows you to produce a unique portfolio but with a twist. M1 Finance lets you use a tool called pie investing, whereby your investments are split into slices, much as a pie chart would do, instead of a conventional fixed portfolio. Pie investing lets you choose how much of each slice or category of your portfolio to fund. For instance, you might create the tech slice larger if you think tech companies are growing. You can put more to bonds or dividend stocks if you want steadier investing. This function guarantees that your portfolio fits your own objectives in addition to helping you diversify. The best thing about it is M1 Finance automatically corrects your portfolio. Assume your tech slice should be 40% of your entire portfolio. M1 Finance will automatically sell some of that slice and reinvest some of it back into the other slices if that slice increases excessively to maintain balance. This relieves the strain of having to personally monitor and change your portfolio. Additionally, well known for its no-fee policy is M1 Finance. There are no trading commissions, hence using the basic platform is absolutely free. There is a subscription version, M1 Plus, which provides other tools for a cost if you wish further capabilities, including automated rebalancing or loan borrowing to invest. The app allows one to create retirement accounts, like IRAs, inside it as well. M1 Finance thus makes it simple if you desire a more hands-off approach to retirement savings and are thinking forward. Furthermore, the clever automation of the software allows you to set it and forget it, knowing that M1 Finance will keep things operating smoothly, saving you from having to manually change your investments over time. For those who seek the best set it and forget it, M1 Finance provides one app that does everything for you without any need for customizing. Number 7. SoFi Invest. Finally, everyone wanting simplicity will find an ideal fit with SoFi Invest. It's beginner-friendly and provides both automated investing and manual stock or ETF trading options. The automatic version is excellent for beginners. You select your objectives and let SoFi create and oversee a varied portfolio for you. You can pick your own stocks and ETFs though if you wish more control. The best of it is that you may start investing with as little as $1, and trading has zero commission fees. SoFi is a good option for both short-term and long-term goals, since it also provides retirement accounts and automated rebalancing tools. There is an app available to assist you to start with as little or as much as you wish to invest, regardless of where you are on your investment roadmap. It's time to act now that you know the inside story on these apps. Choose the one that best suits your style, set up your account, and begin planning your future. Bye for now, investors.